This was really funny, right? Are you constantly losing money trading gold? Just like the way we see in this short video. You are not alone. You know, sometimes some people praying when the trend is going against them. Meanwhile, they are the main cause of everything. So most traders face same mistake over and over again. But today, I'm going to show you how to avoid them and trade gold like a pro. So if you are serious about trading gold profitably, stay with me to the end of this video because I'm revealing the biggest mistake that wipe out traders' accounts most of the time. So just stay with me, watch this video to the very end, and like this video, share this video so that others will benefit. And if you are tuning into this channel for the very first time, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification in case we drop any new video, nice content, so you'll be notified first. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we drop free trading signals and market insight. We guide our subscribers on what will likely happen in the market. And also we drop free signals, okay? So I'll drop the link in the description of this video for you to join if you're yet to join. So let's move on straight to the main point. So as a trader, these mistakes I want to show you are the most common mistakes some traders do, and this end up making them blowing their account. So in order to be successful while trading gold or any currency pair, do well to follow these rules and apply proper risk management while following these rules, right? So I did a video last week on psychological levels on gold, how to mark psychological levels on gold. So if you're yet to watch that video, scroll onto this channel, you will see the video. You need to always not ignore psychological levels while trading gold if you want to make it in this industry. Always take note of your psychological levels. Let's say, for example, this, you can see how market reacts to this level, for example. You can see how market reacts to these levels. So make sure you always mark your psychological levels from the higher time frame. If you don't know how to mark your psychological level, I did a video on that, watch it. But with adding psychological level on gold, you can just add 100 pips, right? You can add 100 pips. Then make sure you are watching the market reaction to these levels, and this will lead you to taking the right decision, because in most of the time markets do react to these psychological levels, right? Let's say, for example, 2007. Let's say gold is in 2007. Let's open this coordinates. Let's say around 2007, which is here, right? So your next psychological level, you add another 100 pips. So your next psychological level should be around you can add 50 pips or 100 pips depending, right? You can add 50 pips or 100 pips just depending on how many pips you want to be using. Well, me personally, I use 100 pips, right? So 27, adding 100 pips to 27, just add 10. Just add 10. Just add 10. That's 100 pips in gold. So keep adding 10, 10, 10, 10. The next one will be 20. The next one will be 20. So gold, most of the time, do react to these levels. So take note of these levels. If you don't want to add it that way, you can just mark each level that reacts from the previous charts. You scroll back and mark all the levels that has reacted before, that the market has reacted before. Just mark all the levels. So you use this method to trade the future. I hope you get. So this is your number one takeaway if you want to be profitable while trading good. Secondly, you need to trade with stop losses. You see some traders just enter a trade without a stop loss. You are playing with fire if you try this in gold. Stop playing with fire. If you try this in gold, this is the easiest way to blow out your account. I always advise people, don't enter a trade that you don't even know where the stop loss is. You don't even have the idea of where to put your stop loss. Don't enter a trade because you just see that, okay, this trade is going up or this trade is going down, or maybe one of your mentors just called a signal for you, buy this, sell this, without giving you a proper stop loss. Please do not enter that trade. Each trade you want to take, make sure you have a defined stop loss before taking that trade. So follow this rule gradually. If you want to be profitable trading good, these are part of the rules. If you don't have a jotter, take a jotter and write this step down. Try these few steps I want to give you for just 1 week. Just try to abide by this rule within 1 week and come back to this comment section and tell me your experience in trading gold. Then thirdly is overleveraging. Don't overleverage your trade, right? Just because you see an opportunity in the market, you want to use all the biggest lot size you have that can blow your account if the market decides to retrace a bit. And after blowing your account, the market will start going your direction. So risk management is key, right? You can just risk 1 to 2% per trade. Manage your lot size wisely, please. So if you use a bigger leverage on your gold trading, it's one way to kill your accounts. Yes, gold gives much money, right? And the way gold gives much money, that is how gold packs most of your money. They give huge amount of profit and they take huge amount of loss. So trade wisely if you are trading gold, if you want to be profitable and remain consistent in the market. So also, another mistake traders do is buying at the resistance zone and selling at the support zone. Before you start any trading, make sure you know where the resistance zone is of that chart. Make sure you mark out a resistance where the market has reacted so many times, and also mark out your support zones where you see that, okay, this market has also reacted so many times, to know when to buy or sell, right? You need to wait and see the reaction of the market around those zones before taking any action, please. Before taking any action. So never buy gold at resistance and never sell gold at support zone. Take this also. It is very important. Next is for you to always check your fundamental news. Never ignore fundamental news. Gold is heavily affected by economic events like Fed rates, interest rate decisions, inflation report, and dollar strength. So you can see the current situation of gold recently between the China and the current president of the US, and that is why you see this spike in gold. You can see this spike in gold. You can see this spike in gold. because it is a safe haven asset. So because of that news, a lot of people are now buying gold. You see? So news, fundamental news, usually affects gold movement. You can draft out a strategy and news will take it to a different direction. So that's why gold is very volatile. So if you are trading gold, always check your calendar, check your fundamental news to know what is happening. Be ahead of the markets. Be prepared always for you to be profitable. Then also one thing I want to advise you is to always not to do emotional or revenge trading. If you are trading gold, do not do emotional or revenge trading. Stick to your strategy. Take break after a loss and never trade emotionally. Once you are in a loss, it is normal in trading. There must be loss in trading. It is inevitable, right? So once you encounter a loss, take a break. Do not be angry that you want to revenge. Do not do revenge trading. Please avoid revenge trading by all means. It's number one killer in trading. It's number one killer. If you're trading gold, avoid this entirely. Another thing I will advise you is, if you want to be a profitable trader while trading gold, is to understand the market structure. Identify the major trend in the market before trading, please. Anytime you want to take a trade on gold, make sure you identify where the trend is heading to and follow the trend. If the major trend is a buy on the higher time frame, you can come down to a lower time frame and look for entry. Right? Use your trend lines to place your trend line properly. Trade with the momentum, not against the trend, please. So after you have realized that the major trend is a buy, come down to a lower time frame, then look for proper entry. If you want to be successful while trading gold, with this few point of mind, if you stick to this point of mind, believe me, you'll start making good profit while trading gold. You start making good profit while trading gold. Okay, now that you know these mistakes, it is time to start trading gold right way. You have to start trading gold the right way. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more trading insight, and comment below what is the biggest mistake you have made trading gold. Join my free Telegram channel for trading signals and daily market updates. Link in the description.